We are very excited to announce the release of our Gen-4 family. So we announced that last month, and we are starting with the first set of ICs in 24 to 30 gigahertz. But this new generation actually builds on the 3 generations of ICs that Anokiwave has already delivered and is being used in the market as the trusted silicon IC for millimeter wave 5G solutions. What Gen-4 does is pretty revolutionary, and there are 4 major improvements at a high level that we offer in these parts. Number one, these ICs offer a unique combination of industry's highest power efficiency and linear power. So there are a lot of ICs that offer good DC high efficiency. There are ICs that offer good high linear power. But what is unique truly about these ICs is the combination of highest linear power and DC power efficiency that we are able to bring to the market, which essentially translates to fewer number of ICs, smaller radios, lower cost radios. The second thing that we have done is multi-band performance. So the same IC can cover multiple 5G bands in one. So the first IC that we have released, for example, covers 24 to 30 gigahertz, which means you can cover the N258, 257, and N261 band in just one IC. And this is without compromising performance across the band, pretty flat performance, supports high bandwidth modulations, and so on. Third is very significant cost reduction, especially in the market environment that we are in, where all the semiconductor prices are going up. Gen-4 provides a path to lower cost compared to the previous generations. So if you think about that, first, you are able to reduce the number of ICs because of high performance, and then you are able to pay less per IC. So overall, it translates to significant cost reductions by using the Gen-4. The fourth and the most important, what we are bringing to this market is a complete millimeter wave to IF solution, and that includes LO. So what that means is now we are able to provide ICs like what we call the IF transceiver, which consists of dual channel up and down converter along with an LO synthesizer, along with a driver amp, all in one. So it's basically 5 functions in one IC, and there is no part in the market that comes anywhere close to that. If you envision a phased array system, you could essentially build an entire millimeter wave to IF system, including LO, with just 2 IC types. That's the level of integration and high performance that Anokiwave is bringing to market. And to complement all of this, what Pete's team is now doing is building antenna systems similar to the ones that you have seen before, but now using Gen-4 ICs, which provide a complete millimeter wave to IF solution. So now customers can experience the performance they can expect at an array level even before they build an array or even before they characterize an IC. So that's the power of the IC and antenna level solution that Anokiwave is bringing to the market, starting with Gen-4 family here.
We got arrays back from our fabrication ecosystem in late December, and we've been testing them. They've gotten outstanding performance on those. We'll begin to release those into the marketplace over the next 3 to 6 months. And the innovator kits, as Abhishek held up, we've got a phased array PAM board, and we've got a DC converter board that plugs in on the sides, and a DC control card that plugs in on the other side to allow a lot of flexibility in terms of how our customers can interface with this. And it's got an integrated heatsink for air-cooled operation. So this type of demonstrator system really proves to our customers that we can get the performance at the array level of our BFICs and our IFICs. And our goal is to, millimeter wave phased array technology is very challenging technology. We want to take the millimeter wave part out of that and allow our customers to operate as if these are sub 6 gigahertz modules that they're plugging into their systems. That's one of our goals as an antenna team, is to help that in our ecosystems.